A robust commercial network is not just about connectivity, it's about overcoming challenges that stand in the way. One of the primary hurdles is the physical layout of the building. Walls, floors, and furniture can obstruct Wi Fi signals, making strategic planning for installation and deployment essential. Security is another critical factor. A commercial Wi Fi network must be fortified with strong encryption and authentication methods to protect against potential cyber threats. Interference from other electronic devices and networks can also pose a challenge. Devices operating on the same frequency as Wi Fi can cause interference and slow down the network. Lastly, bandwidth issues can arise when too many devices use the Wi Fi simultaneously. This requires careful management to ensure a consistent and reliable connection. Overcoming these challenges during a commercial Wi Fi installation requires careful planning, flexibility, and professional expertise. With the right approach, you can ensure a seamless and efficient network for your business. Are you looking for a true partner in commercial Wi Fi installation? Drop us a line today to start your network journey.